It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.
Hello guys, I'm back, and to all my new viewers, my name Alia Raquel, and together with me Miss Imelda Arizo, the TikTok star. In this video, I'm so excited to visit Dubai Expo for the first time, and this time we are on the train. Yes, here we are. Okay, andito kami. Sama ko si Ganda. Guys, we are entering to Al-Wasta Plaza. Guys, somebody asked what is Expo exactly means. So, share ko lang sa konti ko pong nalalaman. Expo 2020 is a World Expo currently hosted by Dubai in the United Arab Emirates from October 1, 2021 to 31 March 2022. Originally scheduled for 20 October 2020 to 10 of April 2021. It was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And the Expo are global events dedicated to finding solutions to fundamental challenges facing humanity by offering a journey inside a chosen them through engaging and immersive activities organized and facilitated by government and bringing together countries and international organizations. This time we are on top of Pavilion of Singapore. We can see the view from outside. And this time we are passing to the UAE Pavilion. As you can see, their traditional Arabic dance. Here we are again. Smile, picture, 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 picture for souvenir. This time it's already 8 in the evening. We are ready to go home. We are on the buggy VIP service till we reach the train station. Our car is waiting to us there. Guys, before I forgot, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Alia Raquel's Vlog, and follow me on my Instagram account and like my Facebook fan page. Oh, my legs, everybody is tired. See you till next video. Bye!